Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got power and a clear workspace. Now start pairing. First, switch the Audio Technica to Bluetooth mode. On many models, press and hold the BT button until the LED flashes. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone or speaker and scan. Make sure the turntable remains within 3 meters and away from Wi-Fi routers or microwave interference. If your unit has a phono/line toggle, set it to line only when connecting to active speakers. Otherwise, choose phono for a phono preamp or receiver input. With the device discoverable, prepare the record and playback settings. Place the vinyl, select 33 or 45 RPM, and visually confirm stable rotation. Use the cueing lever to position the stylus above the lead and groove, lower gently or engage auto start so you don't shock the cartridge. Meanwhile, on your phone, select the turntable's Bluetooth name. You'll often hear a beep or see a steady LED that confirms pairing. Once connected, start playback and adjust volume slowly to avoid speaker pops or clipping. You're almost done. Set source volume to a moderate level, then bring up your amplifier or speaker volume. This two-step approach prevents overload. Make sure the needle tracks correctly and enjoy the first side. If audio cuts or lags, forget the device in your phone's Bluetooth list and repair or power cycle both units. This clears handshake errors. A single troubleshooting tip. If you get no sound, verify the phono/line switch position. Ensure the Bluetooth LED indicates connection, and confirm the amp or speaker is not muted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.